Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you 3 ways to take screenshots in Windows 10, which will all produce different results. The simplest way is to press the print screen key on your keyboard. If you have a print screen key that has sysRQ underneath, you can press Shift while pressing print screen to activate the print screen function. Otherwise, just press the button once. I'll press the print screen button, and now what is on my screen is now copied to my clipboard. So I can open a paint program and press Ctrl V to paste the image. The second way is to hold down the Windows key while pressing print screen. This will take a screenshot and store it in the Pictures folder on your computer. So if I open Pictures, Screenshots, here's the screenshot I just took. The third way is to press Windows key Shift S. Let's say I want to take a screenshot of just this banner. I can press Windows key Shift S, drag a rectangle, and now this rectangle has been copied to my clipboard. I can paste into a paint program like this. Another useful feature of the Windows key Shift S method is that it allows you to draw on the image once you've taken the screenshot. You can click on the image when it pops up as a notification, and now you have tools such as the red marker tool. So you can circle content, highlight content, and erase what you've drawn. Once you're happy with your modifications, you press Ctrl C and your modified version will be copied to your clipboard. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and let me know if you have any ideas for new videos. Bye!